This is how you can download any WhatsApp status on your Android phone, and I'll also show you what you can do on your iPhone to achieve the same result. By the way, if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe. I'm first going to show you how you can do it on any Android phone. So what you'd want to do here, you can see I have this status. So I've already viewed it just previously, but deleted it from the folder for this demonstration. So I'll go to internal storage here. So you click on internal storage. Depending on your phone, you see different types of folders here. You go to Android. Then under Android, you see a folder called media here. Then you see com.whatsapp there. Then click on WhatsApp folder. Then you see a lot of folders here. The folder which we want is media. Then under media, you see different types of folders. So you see images, sticker packs, profile photos, videos, video notes, etc. So essentially what this just means is on any Android phone, whatever you do on Android is saved in the cache, which will be these folders. And be it audios, be it animated GIFs or AI media, etc. So statuses as well, you can also find that folder here. Now, if you do not find the folder here, it's probably because you are choosing not to show hidden folders or files. So you can see these are the sort of standard which you might see if you have that setting on. So what you'd want to do is just to click on settings for that specific folder, then just say show hidden system files, and then it will show statuses there. Now under statuses, you can click and you see that file here. So what I'll do here is I'll just delete so that I can show you again. So I've deleted the status here. Then I'll click WhatsApp, then view the status again. So you can see it already says, sorry, this media doesn't exist because I deleted it. So it will be taking it from the cache folder, that folder. So once I already view it once, it's already saved, so it won't show that error again here, as you can see there. Then I can just view that folder. You can see now it's there. And you can just click on the photo here, just say once, and this is the same photo which is here in WhatsApp. So be it any video or be it any sort of image, it will save under this folder as well. Now, if you're on iPhone, this won't work because it doesn't work the same way as on Android. So on iPhone, you just have to deal with workarounds rather than any sort of basic functionality for you to save statuses. The best way possibly is to view the status like this, then just screen record. Then you can just maybe loop it like this. If it's a video, then you can screen record. And once you screen record, you just say cancel. Or if it's a photo like this, you just take a screenshot, then crop that screenshot and say save to photos like this. So in photos, you see it like this. It will look nice. The only challenge with this approach is obviously it kind of compromises on the quality of whatever image or video you would have saved. Then this is the screen recording which we're taking right here. So these are the only workarounds which are available because there is no particular way to save a status of an image or a video on your iPhone. You can also do the screen recording even on your Android phone as well. However, I would suggest that the first method, obviously for Android, will be the best because it kind of saves that quality If you're on iPhone, it compromises the quality, but it does the job for any specific purpose.